Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Vicki, this is Vicki's Country Home. Today I'm doing an unboxing. I've wanted one of these Nutrimill Artiste mixers for a long time. I have a newer, I think it's a 5 or 6 quart Kitchenaid mixer, and I have a very old smaller Kitchenaid mixer, and they both still work and they're great. But one of the complaints I have, first of all, is the volume that you can put in there realistically, especially with breads and cookie doughs. Also, what I found, no matter what adjustments I make, I still am, and with the scraper beater, I'm still not getting the sides or bottom scraped. And so there's always, you have to stop, keep scraping it down. And I've done that for years. I also heard that this is much better about that. So you don't have to do that as much. So today I'm going to do this unboxing. I decided to purchase this because I was at the Modern Homesteading Conference last weekend in Coeur, Idaho. It was amazing. Especially if you're in the west part of the US and you have a homestead, highly encourage you to go. We have very different conditions and situations than a lot of the country. And so the other homesteading conferences are wonderful. But a lot of stuff just doesn't apply to us, or we have situations that they don't talk about because we have some very unique situations to our part of the country. We have deserts, dryness, high winds, high altitude, all kinds of things, and critters that you can't even imagine. Insects that look like animals. Mormon crickets, what can I say? So I went to this homesteading conference and I loved it. It was great. They had some really good speakers. I learned a lot. They had a lot of people to talk to that had all kinds of knowledge. And they had a Nutrimill Bosch booth. And so I stopped to talk to him because this is something I've been wanting, and I just had not justified it for myself. However, they had a heck of an event sale, so I went ahead and purchased this, and I got a really, really good price. So I'll talk more about that later. But I thought I'd show you the unboxing, and I actually thought everything that I received was going to be much bigger, and it's not. So I'm really happy about that. So let's get this open. It came in just this cardboard box, and it fit right in it. And it shows exactly what it is. So if this was going to be a surprise, I would consider doing something different. But let's see what we have here. So I got this mixer, and it comes with the whip, it comes with the metal whip drive, and a dough hook, and a recipe book. That's all wonderful, but I wanted more. So it's got some paper straws. But what really excited me is I got the cookie paddles. I think I'm going to have to take everything out first because they're not coming out easily. It also came with cake paddles and the bowl scraper, which helps with that problem I had. Now these are optional attachments, and I believe it's called the Baker's Bundle. So that's the bowl. And this is how it was packaged, which is why that stuff didn't want to come out. And this is the base. And as you could hear, it's got suction cups on the bottom. And believe me, that's holding on pretty well. So this thing should not be walking around much. So this is the bowl for the mixer. And unlike most mixers, this is driven from the bottom. So there we got it attached. And it doesn't look very big, but it really does hold quite a bit. So you've got your wire whips. And you have your dough hook. And then this got left behind in the box. This is what you attach your wire whips to. Also would be your cookie paddles, your cake paddles, and your scraper would all get attached there. And I'll show you. I only have one on here. But that's how it looks. It also comes with the Bottom Driver Kitchen Mixer recipe book and tells you how to put all this stuff together, because this is totally different from anything I've ever used before. So I want to make sure I'm familiar with the product and how to use it. So once you put your ingredients in, put the lid on. You're not going to have a whole lot of stuff flying out, and again, it's mixing from the base and not from overhead, so it's totally different action. But this will hold 6 pounds of dough. That's a lot. That's a whole lot. So would I need 6 pounds? Maybe not. I might sometimes, but it holds a large capacity. And that's pretty tight, but I'm guessing it'll loosen up. But you also have an opening on the lid so you can add ingredients as you go. So again, you've got your dough hooks, wire whips, these would be your cookie paddles. They come as a set, again, like the wire whips. And the same with the cake paddles, just a little bit different. That's what they look like. And finally, the bowl scraper. Let's see how this works. So then you have your bowl scraper attachment, and there's 4 pieces to that. And I'm going to have to read up on that because to make sure I'm doing it correctly. I received all of this, as I said. It was a special deal for the event, and I was very, very happy, and it justified my decision to buy it. So all of this was $210.94, including tax. Now, what's great is you're not at that event, so you can't get that. However, they are holding a prime sale starting tomorrow, Sunday, July 9th through the 12th of 2023. This is only for those 4 days. And you can order almost any of their products, I believe. They're going to have a wonderful flash sale on it. So I will have an affiliate link below. And again, I purchased this. I did not receive this from them direct. They did not provide this to me. I purchased this, but I have become an affiliate because I'm so excited about it. So I have a link below, and if you go there between July 9th through the 12th of 2023, you can get an awesome discount. And it makes a huge difference in making your decision whether to get this or not, and also comparing this to the Kitchenaid mixers, which they're a good product, but they're different. And I really think that this is superior, and I'm very excited to start using it. So I hope you go down below, click the link, go check out the prices, and I hope that you decide to make this investment, because that's what it is. It's a long-term investment. This should last you a long time, and it can handle much larger amounts. And I'm very happy, especially when you're making cookies. You know, you can make huge amounts. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching, and God bless.